recent usual viewers of the channel, welcome to Bombela Phonetics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell on top, share your thoughts with me into the comment section. Today I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the game of the under-20 Banyana Banyana squad versus the Eswatini under-20 squad, and I'm joined by Coach Tulani. Coach Tulani, we're going to be analyzing the game today as of to how the girls played against Eswatini. They've prevailed in this game, winning 4-0 against Eswatini. When we look at the way, what's your take in terms of the girls' performance today?
Ngicela ngokubingelela. I think ma-girls wethu adlale kahle kakhulu. I think ne preparation ibe yihle kakhulu, looking the way badlale ngakhona. Marvelous performance of which if bangachubeka so banga-reach us somewhere else.
Coach Tulan, Sbugi style of play which the girls played this Kasitsakali game, it was a little bit on the ground, so it's carpet football. But when we look into the second half, it was a little bit now of long balls which were being pinpointed directly into the center forward. What's your take onto that? Please give me an understanding as of to what transpired there. What if, from a coach's perspective, the idea behind that? What's your take onto that? Because the Swatini had now coming to this game, they played with 7 defenders. What do you think was the idea into switching from those combination passes from the ground to moving from those crosses which pinpoint into the center forward?
No, I think first half makuqala game mantombazane adlale kahle kakhulu, beba keep ibhola on the ground, of which is good. That is why bakhonile ukuthi bakore 2 goals quick. Also, but towards the end of the first half, bese baqala kudlala ama long balls, of which I think it's a coach instruction, because we don't know into le endeke even nase dressing room. Look at even half time, ababuya half time, they were playing directly vele ma long ball. They build up, they don't get inside the center from the footback role, but it's straight to the penalty spot. So I think it's a instruction from the coach, because we don't know into le endeke dressing room ukuthi coaching up my instruction la nigeta ama players, and also maybe uthole ukuthi uchecka something because basayo compete somewhere else. So I think since lana beba leader nge-aggregate bakhonile ukuthi bawine 5-0 away, then here, so I think beka testa something ukuthi if ever going forward kuyofuna ukuthi asebenzise leso style of play utokhona yini ekudlala ngawo. So we don't know what exactly is happening inside the dressing room. Yeah.
Coach Chulane, we look as of to the way they played, having that number 22 for Banyana in that middle of the park, being able in the first half or also in the second half, being able to move the ball around, circulating it around there, moving it, the ball, connecting the center, the center defense, and also the forward. She's the anchor of this ship today. What's your take on her performance today, and how pivotal and fundamental and instrumental was she in today's victory, and also having Banyana being able to dominate this game?
Yeah, I think number 22 udlale kahle kakhulu. If you are a coach uba nemidlalo ofana na Chess 22, you are blessed actually, because ukhona control game from build up phase. He can connect the ball to ukuthi izofika kuma strikers. I think that girl udevelopeke kahle kakhulu. Credit must go to ama development coaches, because another thing lesi avoid the development coaches ngibo laba very important in terms of good play, good develop play yabona, because manje simbona la, simbukela live, simbukela screening, sithi hayi the coach lela eba coach currently she's the one or he's the one lo good, but forget about the development coach yabona. I think today ube ne game lehle kakhulu, and he was able to control the middle yabona, and to connect also nama passes wakhe, killer passes. She can read the game yabona. She's very comfortable on the ball, like bekathola free role today. And again neSwatini bekungasi team lekuthi be pressure always. I think they came here just to not concede much, because already bese ba lose game ba concede home 5-0. So today just it was a matter ukuthi ba honorish game, also banga concede more yabona. Yeah,
we look at the way she's playing. She's in the middle of the park. Could this now be a raising of the hand to Coach Desiree Alice to say, Coach, when we have, could this be potentially be the next Refilwe Johnny to say, when the legs run, when Johnny runs out of legs, this is the person we could be having now to say, occupy that role, because we're seeing the glimpses of what could be are being displayed here in her performance. Could this be the performances of to which cements her as a player to say, now we need to start looking. Also, when we look at the Banyana squad, the senior team, it is going through a phase of to which it's rebuilding. It's the introducing of new players, a youthful squad. Could this be it that the future of South Africa, the senior team of the Banyana is in safe hands to say, let us not panic. It is a matter of us now just building again from what we had, that the quality is still there. South Africa still does possess the quality.
Yeah, no, I think like I said, the development coaches by Ndam Seven Lomuhle kakhulu yabo. She can be a replacement for Refilwe change or Busho, because remember, if ever une under 20, we are building for the senior team. Do you understand? So that is why good development we have aboma under 9, under 11. It's because ukuthi magak under 9 you prepare for under 11. From under 11 you prepare to the next division. So I think utoba replacement le kahle kakhulu. South Africa is etandleni leti safe kakhulu.
Mphathi sesibuka le ndlela le badlali badlale ngayo. A number of those players who make the national team under 20 yeBanyana are players who play in the Sasol League labanye. Uyayibuka leyo. Nathi la ekhaya sinayo Mavis, sinayo Naledi, labadlalela super strikers. They were being summoned here, they got summoned into the national team. Kubaluleke njani and lokho kuyicucutela njani ibhola yakhona la eprovince yasekhaya eMpumalanga?
I think the two girls basibonelo lesihle kule province ethu eMpumalanga, like njoba sochazile. I think basibonelo lesihle kakhulu. Why? Because bas represent as Mpumalanga. Actually Mpumalanga ayikho well recognized. Yabona, so I think with those two girls we'll see also ne teammates wabo la bebethe kutoba support. I think nabo baba motivated ukuthi one of some good days they have to be kule field yeMbombela Stadium, because it dream ya wonke umuntu lo. Yeah, so if ever you are a soccer player, you have to dream high so that good mangafizi will be at least them cuts in. So I think motivator nalala basasexasol nama teammates wabo. Look at now bebaku national team uthole boma next week they will come back ku Sasol League bo raba ma shoulder. I think uyabona, so that thing yak motivator ukuthi njoba ayendile one of the girls from Sasol League nama can also do it. So it's on that way njalo.
Mphathi asisihlahla kancane kule le bafati lena sithi kule emadvodza lena mphathi bafana bala
yeah
bayabacuthile ne Rwanda mphathi yini lenilenzele ukuyibona njengabo coach Hugo Bruce unale squad la lasibitile nyalo Premier League squad, leso squad leso lesinye kunema question mark to a number of those players. What do you make of leso squad lesibitwe Hugo Bruce for a Premier League squad?
Yeah, I think into lesi expectile are good results obviously, because now siya leader lapha kule group yethu. So I think since it's home we'll give them a support, so basikhona siba support, but le squad I think une squad less right kakhulu tinyawo dikhona quick fits uyabona bo rele bukhile mfuking lapha bakhona. So I think ukuthi it's a matter ukuthi akwadi ukuthi a prepare team yakhe athole the best starting lineup, because I think already so naso so yeah, it will go with preparation, because everything if you prepare very well you will also get a positive result somewhere somehow yabona. Although what uthi ball ya rotator unga prepare utshela ukuthi you will win, but you see game kune win and lose net draw yabona. So you have to expect everything, but if you prepare right, you prepare sharp ngiko lokugenda ukuthi ube ne game le better yabona.
Coach, asibuke la simo yakhona nyalo kule simo le bafana letibeke kuso. Sidlala against Nigeria. Nigeria, we maybe it's a 50-50 to say officiating, mara nathi singithi silicembu to move away from projecting blame to other people. We look at the way we played Bafana. Coach, do you believe Bafana against Nigeria le result ya 1-1 leyitholile itifakele ipressure itidonsele mandi ngemsele coach?
Yeah, no, like I said, mfethu, i-football. Yabona i-football injalo mfethu. There's always a draw, win and a lose. Yabona, so you have to accept i-result lo tholako and work on the mistakes lo abonile and sticka kakhulu kule tinto leti be positive and then usebente ngama negatives, yabona. So I think it's part of football. It's part of football. That 1-1 draw nabo I think iyabakhulisa as players, as coaches, bakhonile technical team ikhonile kubona ukuthi banyathele kuphi wrong, yini into la kumele bayilungise going forward in order to win igame ye-Rwanda, yabona. So that's part of football, we can't run away from that. Ama results into lesiyifunayo, especially on this level yeBafana Bafana, results abaluleke kakhulu, yabona. That is why if you don't perform as a coach bakugcwalisa ilibhantshi ligcwala ngomoya. So but you have to accept lokutholile, yabona, and work on the negatives, usticke kuma positive, yabona.
Coach Thulane, thank you very much for your time. Siphinde sibonge sidobe sinawo futhi ngaleli viki la Bafana Bafana idlala lana.
No, kubonga mina bhutam, thank you.
Thank you.